Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so before we get started to today's gray series painting, I'm going to show you guys the dried results of my last painting. Look at it glow, I'm telling you. Look at this shimmer. I cannot wait until this gets a coat of crystal resin. So my client saw it and she absolutely loved it. So that's the one panel. And here was the other one. But look at that. Like, I mean, the iridescent, the Pebeo, the Arteza pearl cream is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. I get better light on this side. But that is how it dried. It just perfect. Absolutely perfect. And like I said, my client loves it. So it shall get a top coat of crystal resin, and then when they're ready, they're going to get shipped off to Australia. That's right. They're going to Aussie land. All right. So also really quickly before I forget, my next workshop is going to be happening in Dallas, Texas. That's for the Fluid Art Experience, happening May 14th to 16th. If you want information, www.fluidartexperience.com. And then I'm going to be going to Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th. So the link for that website is in the description below my video. And I'm going to be going back to Montreal the end of April. Right now, the tentative date is April 26th. So for those of you who are watching and are in Montreal and wanted to come back or happen to miss my September workshop, save the date for potentially, most likely, April 26th, Saturday, April 26th. Okay, so let's get started today. I'm going to be working on none other than a 12 by 24 inch canvas. And why does this look small to me? Am I losing my mind? Yes, I am losing my mind. I'm a little discombobulated today. It is a cold, rainy day. Blah. Cold, rainy day. And yeah, not much sleep lately. Echo's been sick, very sick. He's got, vet thinks it could be kennel cough, but I don't know how he would have gotten it because he hasn't gone to a kennel or daycare or interacted with any other dogs. Started off as a cough, then a hack, then sounds like he's about to hack up his lungs. It's been going on for 10 days now. He's now on antibiotics, but guess what? Now Juno has it because they're contagious and, they just, do everything together and drink out of the same water bowl. It was inevitable. So now Juno's got it. Yeah, vets suck. I'm sorry if you're a vet or if you know one, but the prices are absolute robbery. Absolute robbery. But yeah, so he's been sick, coughing, and now he's got snotty boogers coming out of his nose. Oh my gosh, I can't take it anymore. And he's not getting any better right now. So yeah, that's my quick story. He's sick, and now Juno's sick, which means I'm going to have to deal with him now too. And yeah, not fun. Anywho, so my gray series is coming to an end. I've pretty much done all the colors with the exception of orange, and I don't think I'm going to do orange. So I'm sorry for you orange lovers out there. So yeah, today though, I thought I'd do monochromatic. So I did do a light gray and a dark gray base. And that one did sell. Every other painting that I did for the gray series is still sitting on my wall here. You may have seen it in my last video. But yeah, so today I'm going to do a white and gray. And then my next video is going to be black and gray. And then after that, the gray series will come to an end, most likely. So that being said, I'm using gray, which is made up with titanium white and oxide black by Amsterdam, and then titanium white by Amsterdam in my strawberry lemonade President's Choice Canadian Company bottle. So those are my base colors. And then the colors I'm going to use Okay, I'm using Graphite by Amsterdam. I really debated that color because I want to keep it as monochromatic as possible. But then, of course, I have to add the Pearl Cream by Arteza because Pearl Cream is part of the gray series. So then I have black, Oxide Black by Amsterdam. And then I have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. And then topping it off, Titanium White by Amsterdam in my little Loli Vevy bottle. So if you want to know how I mix my paints, you can check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. It is a full tutorial on how I mix my paints for a blowout, okay? So I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas flooded, bubbles popped. Let's get started here. So let's go with the Graphite by Amsterdam. So I'll do this one and then black and gray and then call it a day. And I think I just saw a little paint booger come out of that right here. I did. Come on. I think I got it. Yes, I did. All right. Okay, so Graphite. Let's do the Pearl Cream. And now because there's, well, how many colors are there? 5 now? Yeah. Well, we'll see how this turns out with black and white in it too. All right. So black. This is so subtle, very elegant, not like vibrant and in your face. I actually really like this a lot. You know, it's going to be interesting to do the black and the gray. The gray will be on the top and the black will be on the bottom since it's the darker of the two. But this is, you know what? And they might end up being a really cool diptych together. But I'm really liking this. And you see the graphite is a lot of my border. So if you take my classes, you've heard me say that the first color you put down, usually, depending on how you blow it, but most likely, usually, more often than not, it'll be the color that you see around the border of your petals. And this is a prime example of that. So I'm loving it. I don't think I'm going to do anything to it aside from dabble here and fix my edges. But I love it. It's very subtle, very, very, you know, elegant. It's classic. All right, I'm going to fix my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So before I show you the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. All right, do all 4 sides. Come back about 10 minutes later because there will be some new drips. Come back 10 minutes later and then do it again. All right, let's check this out. I can't get over how pretty this turned out. It's very soft. It's not bold and in your face. This would just look so perfect on a white or actually any color wall, really. Was my camera out of focus that whole time? Oh, goodness gracious. I don't know if it was, but if it was, I'm going back so that you guys can see it again, because it looked like it was out of focus to me. So there you go. So now let's turn the lights off and check it out with the shimmer. All right, so the lights are off and the flash is on. And there should be quite a bit of shimmer in here because 3 out of the 5 colors were metallic or iridescent. So we had the graphite, which is a metallic, then the Pebeo, iridescent silver, and then of course the pearl cream. So when this dries, I am telling you, it's going to look pretty amazing. So look at that. Oh, that spot's gonna glow. You could just tell that spot is going to glow for sure. Look at that shimmer. Look at that shimmer. All right. And there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. It is going to be available for purchase once it's dry in resin. So if anyone is interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Check out the description below my video. You get all kinds of discounts for different companies, crystal resin, lowly Veffy, you know, all that fun stuff. And then the links and information to my upcoming workshops that I'm going to be attending will be there as well. So yes, that is it for me. Calendars are still available for purchase. I forgot the calendars. Those are available for purchase. If you are interested in a 2025 calendar, please email me. All right, that is it for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.